Hello friends, myself Amin and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Amin's channel from the city of Bath, England. This is a very old human settlement and famous for Roman bath, and the city is situated at the distance of 156 km from London and 18 km from Oxford. It is a known fact that all the ancient civilizations or human settlements developed beside the river. But in the case of Bath, it was a thermal spring, a geological phenomena. As per archaeological findings, people used to visit the place during Mesolithic period. That was during 8000 BC. Last human settlement came to the place during 700 BC by Celtic people. In this part of England, winter temperature goes down to 0 degrees centigrade and maximum summer temperature is 25 degrees centigrade. Obviously, this hot water source must have been a great find for them. In this video, I'll try to describe in detail the Roman bath, the whole city who is UNESCO World Heritage Site, and of course some geology of the famous thermal spring. Yes, now we can see the Roman bath in the background. This is the view of the main bath or the great bath to the top floor. Now we have come to the spring from the main bath, the source of thermal water. If you see little carefully, you can see the bubbling action in the water. Spring was named as Aqua Sulis. Aqua means water, Sulis is the name of the Celtic goddess. Temperature of this water is 46 degrees centigrade and daily discharge is 12.5 lakh liter. There is a network of pipeline to transport the water from the source to different baths. The water is charged with 43 types of minerals, and Romans used this water for treatment of different types of ailments. You can see the drainage system for movement of water, and finally it is entering the main bath and excess water is being diverted to some other place. To control the water movement and to maintain the depth of water in the bath, sluice gate system was also there. Adjoining the bath, still there is a Royal Mineral Water Hospital, as can be seen in the video. Bath water is so popular that for the benefit of the disabled and aged people, wheelchair was invented here, which is known as bath chair. The bath chair used by Lady Catherine, a daughter of a duke, can be seen in the picture. During 60 AD, the Romans had knowledge of aquatic plant, chlorophyll and its relation with sunshine. So they built arched roof over the bath with smaller windows in a particular position to minimize the direct sunshine in the water to prevent algal growth, to keep the water crystal clear. All this can be seen in the graphic. Those roofs are gone and algal growth is in full bloom, making the water green. Now we have reached the hypocaust or the heated room. You can see a number of pillars of same size and height, and these are built to support a floor of a room below which used to run hot water. Provision of blowing hot air and smoke through the hollowed wall was also there to keep the room hot, and the entire complex was used as a grooming center, spa and gym. For male and female separate gym was there, as you can see the AI generated video which are being shown in the hypocaust hall of the bath. Now let us go to the museum to see some exhibits of Roman period. You can see a mobile-like gadget hanging from my neck. It is a digital tourist guide. Every exhibit is given a number and you push the number in it to listen to the commentary in your preferred language. No fake or any distorted information. It is given free with the ticket. Now we will go to Sulis Minerva temple, the Roman goddess of healing, protection and wisdom. Initially, it was a Aqua Sulis, the Celtic goddess. When the area came under the rule of Roman, they didn't change the name. They added the name of the Roman goddess Minerva into it, and it became Sulis Minerva. See the offerings in the form of coins in the temple tank, and these are huge in number. Some of them can be seen in the showcase of the museum also. Now we are in the main exhibition hall of the museum. See the intricate carving as old as 70 AD. It is the face of Gorgon, a Greek mythological character. I find the eyes very much prominent and fascinating. Now you can see some materials of daily use. The exhibits are huge and endless. Some ornaments are as intricate as present day ornaments, you can see. Some tools and instruments are also appears to very modern. A gentleman playing chess in a Roman dress with a visitor. AI generated video, a Roman queen can be seen being held by assistant to enhance her beauty. Now it is the time to discuss a little geology about the thermal spring. What is the source of the water, how it gets heated, and how it comes to the surface. Thermal spring is a natural source of water where temperature of water always remains higher than the average groundwater temperature of the area. Let me explain the situation with the help of a map. In the left hand side of the map, you can see the recharge area composed of fractured limestone. It is the Mendy Valley area near the bath, and water percolates down through this area. Through this fractured rock, it goes below to a depth of 3 km. Due to geothermal gradient, it gets heated and comes to the surface as hot water through some weak zone, maybe a fault in the form of a spring, which is shown in the map in red color. Geothermal gradient is a rate of temperature increase with depth from Earth's surface. Same type of situation can be seen elsewhere, including India. In 410, Romans withdrew from England, and due to lack of patronage, everything was destroyed, including the bath. But the thermal spring continued as usual. In 1137 AD, Bath Abbey was established, and again it became a religious and marketplace. This is Avon River passing through the city and affected by Bath Bristol fault. There is a break in slope in the river, and to avoid scouring, how they have built chevron-like stairs to giving a cascading effect. The river is finally meeting the Atlantic near Bristol and passing through the Oxford University. The whole city of Bath is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the city and all the buildings are made as per Roman traditions. Saloon is one of the oldest buildings in the city, built in 1680, and it is a heritage restaurant at the moment. People are always in queue to get the taste of the heritage food of the restaurant. Modern Bath city was built during the 17th century, and this is a landmark building, the Crescent. Go on enjoying the beauty of the city. With this, I come to the conclusion of my video. If you are interested to know the tourist place with some geological explanation, you may subscribe the channel so that it reaches you directly. Till then, take care and bye, and thank you very much for being in company with me through the video. This informative presentation is by Muhammad Aminul Islam, retired Deputy Director General, Geological Survey of India, from the city of Bath, England.